What's the meaning of can do? Can do. Can do.
Can do. Can do. The term can do refers to a positive attitude and willingness to take on challenges and tasks. It is often used to describe individuals who are capable, resourceful, and confident in their abilities to succeed. Having a can-do mindset can be beneficial in both personal and professional settings as it allows for a proactive approach to problem-solving and goal attainment. Those with a can-do attitude are often seen as motivated, reliable, and resilient. Overall, embracing a can-do spirit can lead to increased productivity, self-confidence, and success in various aspects of life.